Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi guys, Madam Jaswin here. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I want to explain about basic rules with block diagram transformation, or we call block diagram reduction rules. Okay, so we have 7 rules, okay, that you need to memorize. Okay, so we go one by one. First is combining block in cascade. Okay, you have as you can see, this column is original block diagram. Okay, cascade means series. Okay, so you have G1 and G2 in series position, so you can simplify by multiplying them. Okay, so G1 multiply G2. Okay, next rule is combining blocks in parallel or eliminating a forward loop. Okay, as you can see the arrow. Okay, so arrow is forward loop. Okay, so you have 2 block in parallel. Okay, G1 and G2. So what you need to do is plus or minus, depend on the sign. Okay, if plus, maintain plus. If minus, you just copy minus. Okay, G1 plus or minus G2. Okay, so you simplify by using subtraction or addition. Okay, next rule is moving a pick-off point behind a block. So you have a pick-off point behind a block. So you want to move the pick-off point to in front the block. Okay, so what you all need to do is to add a block with function 1 over G. Okay, next rule is moving a pick-off point ahead of a block. So you have a pick-off point in front of the block, but you want to move the pick-off point behind a block. Okay, so you move the pick-off point behind a block by adding 1 block with the same function of the G. Okay, just copy the function. Okay, and next rule, the 5th rule, if moving a summing point behind a block. Okay, just now we learned about a moving pick-off point. Okay, but now we want to move summation point. Okay, so if you want to move summation point that located behind a block, you want to move in front of the block, you add the same function block. Okay, so you just copy G. Okay, and rule number 6, you want to move a summing point ahead of a block, okay, to behind a block. Okay, so you move and you add function 1 over G. Okay, don't confuse with rule number 4 and 3. Okay, they are different between pick-off point and summation point. Okay, the last rule is to eliminate a feedback loop. Okay, so this is a feedback loop. Okay, so H is a feedback function. Okay, as you can see the arrow, H is give feedback to the function. Okay, so you have G and H. Okay, G as the forward and H as the feedback. Okay, how to simplify this? You can combine become 1 block by using this formula, G over 1 plus minus GH. Okay, so this sign is depend at this sign. Okay, when your sign is plus, you need to change to minus, and when the sign is minus, you need to change the sign become plus, vice versa. Okay, don't confuse with rule number 2. Rule number 2, you just copy the sign. Okay, but rule number 7, you need to vice versa the sign. Okay, and make sure you know the sign. Okay, careful with the sign. So there are the 7 rules in this reduction rule of block diagram. Okay, see you.